of all the things that I do with my kettle tap, I was actually rinsing football boots to get the mud off them on Sunday morning.
That's a first.
I know.
First.
It's my son and I he had a football match on Sunday morning.
Right.
So when we got back, it was filthy.
It was caked, was it?
Yeah, and trying to get mud off in any other way is it's always a mess and always a nightmare. And he never wants to clean them.
No, of course not.
But if you stick them under the boiling water, the flow is good because it comes out quite fast and quite aggressively because you've got a bit of agitation which helps to get the mud off. But the heat is the main thing. Yeah. Once that heat penetrates through the mud,
well, the bubble,
straight off.
It's aerated,
exactly.
the flow, so that kind of that will help lift the mud.
Yeah, it's got
bit,
that sort of slightly agitated flow to the water,
Yeah.
so it just pushes it all off.
So if you've got kids getting covered in mud in the
That's
rugby field and the football
That's
pitch,
just
give
stick
that a
their
go.
boots under there.
Right, that's a good tip. I'll use that.
Brilliant.